Of the sheep. What's the sounds of the cow? What's the sounds of the pig? What's the sounds of the cow? Why? Okay, why do birds sing?
No, the bird don't sing.
Sure.
Tweet, tweet.
How does the sounds of the dinosaur?
Roar.
Why do the dinosaur have bones? Why?
I don't know.
Why you don't know?
Because bones.
What's the sounds of the monkey?
Ooh, ah.
What about the cat?
Meow, meow.
What about the chicken?
How about the how about the puppy?
What about the puppy?
I learned that.
Okay. What's that?
I-
How does the sounds
It's
of
a
your
baby
heart beat?
bird.
How does the sounds of your heart beat?
Boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
Now,
Show me the one. Show me one.
huh?
One. Where's your one?
I don't have no one. Mom, we went to the other shop before. I saw a magic one.
Oh, you saw a magic one.
Yeah.
What about the what was that? The sky. What do you mean the walkathon? What do you call that one? The one that you want us to buy?
The magic one.
No, not that one. The other one
Huh?
that you saw last time at the shop.
It's a little bit up here before. It's glitter.
Glitter. Okay.
Yeah, I can't pick it up soon.
Well, you got money?
No, when Mom,
Mm.
we got lost one before.
Mhm.
Before we go to the shop.
Yeah. Did we?
Yeah,
Where is it?
we got. It's in your bag.
What's in there?
I don't know.
How old are you, Sabi? What's that? How many is that?
20.
Huh?
How about that?
How old are you?
90?
How old are you again?
How about 20?
20? How old are you?
How about 6?
No. How old are you?
4?
No. How old are you?
7?
No. You liar, pansumpire.
6?
Say hi to nice Ivy.
No.
No, not.
Mom, try again. How about 6?
No, you're not 6. You finish?
No, I'm not finished yet.
What-
What's the sounds of... How can I help that?